Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you guys how you can create a Telegram account using a virtual number which you can obtain for free. Well, this screenshot is an example of a virtual account in the Telegram. In this video, I'm just going to show you an application which will give you free Poland numbers with which you will be able to create social media accounts such as Telegram and WhatsApp. So make sure to watch this video until the end, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel if you want more such amazing videos in the future. Now let us straightly dive into the video. First of all, the application which I'm going to use today is going to be called 2NR. Well, this application is going to be only available on Google Play for the people who are located in Poland, and for the people who are located outside the country, it won't be available on Google Play. But there is a roundabout method with which you can actually download the application and use it like me. Well, in this video, I'm just not going to cover it. You can just take a look at my description or the first comment where I would have pinned few videos, and in that one of the videos you will learn how to make a 2NR account and how to solve all those errors. Now right now I have two numbers. We just click on this plus button. I can draw n number of numbers for free. They let me use this number for 3 days. I can extend it up to 7 days, and if you want more we must pay. I do not recommend paying. I'm just going to make social media accounts, so 3 days is more than enough for me. Now I'm just going to copy this number. I'm going to head on to the Telegram's clone application. Now in here choose 48, but before that, if it's a new clone application it's fine, but if you have used it previously or you have tried it with other numbers, or it's an old Telegram account, then make sure to do this step. There is go to storage and just click on the clear cache, or if you have the option to clear data, then it's more good, just go clear the entire data. Here I'm just going to type 48 as it's the Poland's country code. I'm just going to paste the number over here. I'm going to click on yes. Few numbers may be banned, but no problem, we got an huge arsenal of numbers. The reason why the numbers are banned is because the previous users of these numbers would have used it for spamming or something. But do not worry, we can get a huge amount of numbers. Like this, I'm just going to 459,265, 4,565, 498, 430,604, 430,604. Most of the numbers may have been banned numbers because of this application being a bit kind of famous outside India. Well, in India, only few people are giving awareness about this application like me. So just keep on trying, you'll be able to obtain a lot of numbers, and one of the numbers would definitely work, with which you will be able to make a Telegram account for free. You'll also be able to receive calls and anything. So guys, I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. If it was informative to you, then just click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. Now thanks for watching this video until then. It's me Surya Prakash signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.